Hello everyone, you guys are welcome back. Today's class I want to teach us this free hoodie dress. I'm making use of 4 yards of fabric because I'm cutting for a length of 67. So if your fabric has 60 length, maybe you can use 3 yards. So just get your desired length and fold into two, both the front and the back. So I folded the fabric into two, both the front and the back. So this line I just marked now is the hip line. From the shoulder, I marked 26 inches for the hip line. So this is the waistline. It's a free dress, so it doesn't really need much stress. Then the bust point, which is 14 inches. The bust point is 14 inches. So it cut together with the sleeve. Together with the sleeve. So both the shoulder and the sleeve is 28 inches, sorry. So I'm leaving out 14 inches here for the sleeve, for the round sleeve. So here you're going to take the hip measurement plus about 4 inches. Take hip measurement plus about 4 inches. Then you had your sewing allowance, so all you need to do is just take it up to the waistline, then you connect to this round so just take it up like this, and you connect with the round sleeve. Then whatever you have here is what you're going to take down straight. You're going to go down straight there. Then on this neckline, just measure 3.5 inches downward. And then the wideness 3 inches. Just connect them together. Just connect them together. There's the back. Now you're just going to go down with about 1 inch, then you connect to that 3 inches wideness for the front part. Yeah, just connect like that. So all you need to do now is just cut like this, then you take it down. So mind you, this front part is you're going to open it with about 5 inches. Just take half here, then you shape it to that 5 inches. Shape it to that 5 inches. So now you're going to cut this down straight. So this is it after cutting. Then this is going to have slit. The dress is going to have slit. So depending on how open you want the slit, you measure from down about 25 inches for the slit. Then this front part, you are going to cut facing for it. You are going to cut facing for this front part. You're just going to turn the neck. You're just going to turn the neck like that. You turn it inside. So just take a piece of the remaining fabric, fold into to an iron like this, then you place on it. The material is kind of so red material is making it look dark. It's making it look dark. Just hope you guys understand what I'm trying to do. So I'm just going to cut facing for it like this. So this is it. So the facing. So the next thing you do now is just take it to machine. Just take it to machine. Then you are going to sew like this way. Then you turn it inside. Then you place the front on the back, then you join the shoulder. Do the same thing on this other side. Join the side with about 1 inch. Just join this. After joining here, you join the side with about 1 inch. The same thing here. Then you hem the round sleeve. Don't forget the down part is having slit. So by the time you join the side, you stop around this place that I notch. You stop here. So after stopping there, just pipe the remaining part. I will show you what it will look like. Just like I've explained, we're going to place this. You're going to place it and sew round that V part. You don't have to rush when you're sewing a part like this. Just take your time and do it. So as you can see, all you need to do is just notch a bit. So you notch that. When you notch it, you'll be able to take it inside and it will lap very well. Very well. So now you are going to place the front on the back and join the shoulder. You are just going to join with about ½ inch. You do the same thing on both shoulders. The joining is not difficult at all. So now I want to join this side. You join with about 1 inch. Join with about 1 inch. So when you get to that slit, the place I marked for the slit join, you are going to stop. are going to stop. So this is it. Then you are going to fold like this. This is how you are going to hem that part. You double fold it like this. Place on your machine. Then you are going to sew it down. You do the same thing on the other side. You can decide to weave it and use hemming gum to gum it down, but you know, as time goes on, the hemming gum, it will pull off, it will open if you use hemming gum. So I think it's better like this. So you're going to do the same thing here. Then this other side, you do the same thing too. And you hem the round sleeve. So this is it. I've already turned it in, I've ironed it, I've popped the round sleeve, joined the side. So that is the slit side, as you can see. So the only thing left for us to do now is the hoodie part, then the side pocket. So fold into two equally like this. Fold it into two equal parts, then you measure the round neck measurement. I think I have 15 here. That is 7.5. So just get your remaining fabric, fold into two. Then we'll need about 17 to 18 inches length. That's the length. 17 inches here. So the wideness can just be around 12 inches. The wideness can be around 12 inches. So just curve at this upper part, just curve a bit, connect to that 12 inches, then you curve down a little bit too. Just know that this down part we need 7.5 inches, that is 15. So that is where we are connecting to that the neckline. So we need 7.5 inches that down part plus the sewing allowance, just plus half inch. So from here to here 7.5, then you add small half inch again, because we are going to sew both the back side and the front side. So you are going to leave half inch there. But just know that we need 7.5 inches there. That is for the round neck measurement. So these two here, we need another two again, because the same fabric is going to serve as the lining. So we need another two, so making 4 pieces. Okay, these two here, these two here. So you are going to take two machine and join like this. Then join this upper part to like this. Then you use them to turn each other. So this is it. Take two machine. Take to your machine and sew. Just sew it round just like I explained just now. Yeah, you sew the two of them like that. You're going to notch the cuff part. So this is it. This is the other one. So just use one to turn use them to turn each other. Start from that joining so that it's all aligned. Start from that joining so that it's all aligned. Make sure this joining parts aligns together. So that is how you're going to join it up through. So just take the table and iron it very well so that it will relax. So this is what it's going to look like. You tag this down part, just tag it down. Tag this down part down. So after tagging it down, you take to your machine. You take your table and you iron it very well so that it will relax. So we've already notched the center back of the neckline. So just place on it like this. Place on it like this. You are going to join it. You join to this other side. You join to this other side. Okay, take it to the other side too and join. After doing this part, there are so many ways in which you can do this joining part. It's either you weave it with the matching color thread, or just place cutting bias on it to turn inside so that it will be neat. It won't be showing outside. Whichever way that is easy for you. Whichever way that is easy for you, just do it. Either you weave with matching thread and you sew it down, you top stitch, or you use cutting bias to just pipe inside. So this is about the hoodie. That's that about the hoodie. Then just small side pocketing that was piped with Ankara. So just get your fabric together. Cut 8 inches wide and 8 inches long. That the width of the pocket will be 8 inches, then the length will be 8 inches. Then you can just add about 1 inch to the length for the folding. Just add about 1 inch for the folding. So take together, because the pocket is not going to be in form of square. Going to curve a little bit. Going to curve the down part. So the pocket is going to be like this. Then you're using Ankara to pipe this Ankara fabric to pipe the round pocket. So just fold in bias form like this. Fold in bias form. Then you cut about 1.5 inch. Cut your desired length. So I think this is too wide, so I'm going to divide it by 2. So after dividing by 2, we are going to fold each one into 2. We're going to fold each one into 2 like this and iron it. So after that, you're just going to place like this, then you sew round. You sew round. After when you do it like that, after when you sew it round like this, you're going to notch it. You're going to notch the round or these curve areas so that it's able to lap very well when you're ironing it. If you like, you can gum the fabric. That's the main fabric, and gum with paper stay so that it should be firm a little bit. But even though if you don't gum, it doesn't matter. So you're going to knot very well like this. So you're going to knot very well like this. Then you iron it. If you like, you can stitch under our red part, but it doesn't really matter when you iron it. So this is it. So now you're going to place it on the side of the dress. So from the shoulder part, you're going to measure about 25 inches or 24 to place the pocket, because it's a very long dress. The length is 67, so a very tall person. So measure about 24, 25, then you just place the pocket like this. Use your office pin to tag it down. Then you take to your machine and you join it around. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to share, give a thumbs up, and if you're here to subscribe, please don't forget to do that. So just use your office pin to tag it down, then you sew it, and our beautiful hoodie dress is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see the side pocketing, then the slits at the down part. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.